So I've shared to you my learnings, responses, insights or key takeaways about ICT in education. Now, how about ICT in governance? So, information and communication technologies are transforming governance by enhancing transparency, efficiency, and citizen participation. So, in terms of transparency, if sa una, katulang mga government officials, government employees are the ones who can access their mga reports. Karon ICT help in being transparent in terms sa pag-post nila sa ilang mga reports online. So maka-access na ta sa unsay mga dapat nato i-practice as a citizen nga that has the right na makialam sa government. So efficiency mas napa-efficient ang mga napadali ang mga works, mga transactions between the citizens and the government offices. Also, ang citizen participation like previously mentioned, efficient na siya kay tungod we already not kanang resorting into going into the offices kay already naman siya accessible sa internet and such. Di ba, we have e-government, the electronic government na karon. These initiatives like online portals for public services, so for open data platforms, social media engagement, it allows for greater transparency and accessibility to government information. So, di ba, nag-mention ako nag-ina. And then, ICT also streamlines administrative processes, reduces corruption risks through digital workflows, and facilitates faster service delivery. Also, citizen engagement is another key area where ICT shines. Online forums and participatory platforms empower citizens to voice their concerns, collaborate on solutions, and hold authorities accountable. However, successful ICT governance requires overcoming challenges like ensuring digital literacy for all citizens. So, kadtong mga dili gyud kabalo, di ba? They can't be reached by the government. So, kinahanglan gyud po nila moadto sa offices. Ang iban walay cellphone, the digital divide, and safeguarding cyber security kay bisan unsa na ka efficient ang e-government or the ICT, the electronic gadgets, the electronic platforms, dili gyapon siya safe in a way. So it is still the one of the need of the government to address. So overall, when implemented strategically man hinuon, ICT it has the potential to create a more participatory, efficient, and transparent governance system. So, mura to. Thank you guys for watching.